like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
I don't want to sing.
Now stop this nonsense and come out from behind the piano.
Oh, all right. But I don't want to sing.
Don't be ridiculous. Everyone in this class sings by himself today, or he gets enough. Now come on. You may surprise yourself.
Oh, all right. Here goes nothing.
This ought to be good.
Yeah.
Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run. See how they run.
I'll guarantee you get as long as I live. Johnny, come back here. Johnny. Sammy and Federico, you're both staying after school for the half hour. That was a horrible thing to do to Johnny. Now let's quietly go back to the classroom.
That all makes sense. But you'd think differently if the other kids laughed at you and teased you.
But they do, Johnny, sometimes. You should have heard them at the last piano recital. It was rude of them to laugh, but I must have sounded funny to those kids who are a lot better than I am. I don't enjoy being laughed at, but I don't throw a big fit and give up like you do.
You know, you just made me think of something. I was standing here feeling sorry for myself because I get teased so much, and then I thought of Bobby, who was so overweight that he can't do as well as I in any sport, and yet I seem to get laughed at more than he does. I wonder why.
I'll tell you why. The other kids know they can make you mad by teasing you, so they do it. Bobby either laughs along with them or ignores them when he's teased. It's no fun for the mean kids to pick on Bobby, but they sure enjoy picking on you.
You know, you're right. Even I sometimes pick on Ricky because he looks so funny when he gets mad. But right now, I don't feel too proud of it. Sometimes you have to put yourself in the other kid's place to really understand how he feels.
You got it. Say, I have an idea. You know, I've always been pretty good at singing. What do you say? You coach me at piano, and I'll coach you at singing.
We'd both get better, wouldn't we?
If we practice every day, we will.
It's a deal. We'll start tomorrow.
I'd like to welcome all of our parents to our end of the year talent show. Many of our students worked hard on their acts, and I hope you're as proud of them as I am. And now, for our first number, here are the Unbeatables, singing Accept Yourself.
This'll be a cinch. None of the rest of these turkeys come close to us.
Don't be too sure. I hear Johnny and the No-Notes are the ones to beat.
That old foghorn.
She's ready. I may not be able to play basketball well. I may not be too good at track. I may be just horrible at climbing a hill, but for all I know, I really have a knack. I know that I'm not good at everything. Some things in particular I don't do so hot. I try the things that I'm really good at. Do my best and know that I got. I may not be able to do well with jump I may not be successful at humming a tune. I may be even worse at lacrosse. I may not learn my multiplication fraction, but I make a pretty good spaghetti sauce. I know that I'm not good at everything. Some things in particular I don't do so hard. I do the things that I'm really good at. Do my best and those that I'm not. Do my best and those that I'm not.
Wasn't that sensational? Those kids have practiced that song every day for the past 4 months and it's still show. And now, friends and folks will dance to the disco version of Don't Worry, Wasn't she exquisite? And now, for a change of pace, we have our principal, Mr. Rodriguez, leading the amazing kazoo orchestra in a rousing rendition of the theme from 2001, in Space Odyssey.
Because when Johnny starts singing, they're sure to come running in here.
You might want to read or learn how to skate. Do a deed, plant a seed, or stop being late. You might want to write or learn how to spell. Fly a kite, get it right, or make yourself well. One attempt is not enough, 'cause learning can sometimes be tough. Oh, trying is the thing to do. You know you'll never learn unless you try. Trying is the thing to do. You know, or everyone else will pass you by. Might want to dance or build some hay. Pat your pants, take a chance, or have a good day. You might want to fish or learn how to dive. Wash a dish, make a wish, or count up to 5. One attempt is not enough, 'cause learning can sometimes be tough. Oh, trying is the thing to do. You know you'll never learn unless you try. Trying is the thing to do. You know, or everyone else will pass you by. You might want to sled or fix up your bike. Make your bed, paint a shed, or go on a hike. You might want to run or learn how to sew. Tell a pun, have some fun, or make your car go. One attempt is not enough, 'cause learning can sometimes be tough.
Don't believe it. The Johnny I know sings like a squeaky wheel.
Correction. Johnny you do say that way. Some way or another, he's made an amazing improvement.
What an exciting ending to our best talent show ever. Judges, do we have a winner? The winner of this year's talent show is Johnny on the No-Nos!
It was robbed, I tell you. I can't stand it.
Well, kids, now that you've won, is there anything that you'd like to say to the audience?
Well, I'd just like to say thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad. Without your encouragement and support, I'm sure I wouldn't be here tonight.
I'm sure your parents are really proud of you, Susie. Any of the rest of you kids have something to say? Oh, come on, kids. Don't be bashful.
I'd like to say something.
Go ahead, Johnny.
Well, first of all, on behalf of the No-Notes, let me thank the judges for voting for us. I know it wasn't an easy decision, and in my opinion, several acts deserve to win. Second of all, I'd like to say that 4 months ago, I had completely given up on singing. I couldn't stand being called names and being laughed at when I made a mistake. In fact, I was so afraid of being called names that I'd given up trying to learn other things as well. I'd probably still sing like a foghorn if Susie here hadn't set me straight. I know now that only losers give up trying to learn the things that are important to them. The winners keep trying, working, and practicing harder than everyone else, no matter how many mistakes they make or how many people laugh at them. Remember that when the going gets tough, the tough get going, and the tough are the ones that win. Take a tip from me and don't settle for less than your best. God bless you and good night.
I want to thank everybody for coming to our show, and you're all a very good audience, and have a nice summer.
Okay. Boys and girls, I know I'd like to bring Mr. Barney out here again. Mr. Barney has worked really hard on this. He built the entire set here, and he did all this work, and I think we ought to give him a big hand. Boys and girls that worked on this really did a good job. They worked hard. I'd like for them to come up here without the puppets and let everybody give them a